Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of our PCB on the Promax Plus. The Promax Plus is designed to work with the direct drive, the flange and the sectional range. So on the Promax Plus you've got the option to have the panel at a single phase 230 volts or three phase 400 volts. You've got your three phase or your single phase supply in. You've got your neutral connection, your earth connection, motor connection. You have an option for a 230 volt brake output, 230 volt flashing light output. You have two configurable relays. You have the push button connections or key switch. You've got the option for mechanical limits or digital limits. You have a stop circuit and your safety edge circuit. You have a low level photocell and a high level photocell. You have two 24 volt 700 milliamp output for your auxiliary power supplies. You have your auto closed timer pot. You have your dip switches, your programming buttons for your digital limits. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 plug-in expansion slots for accessories. And you have a 1 amp control circuit fuse. I hope you found this video useful on our Promax Plus. You can find the full series on our YouTube channel. If you've got any more questions, please reach out to our technical team.